show you all one of my favorite products here. This is my M3 that I'm working on right now. Got a bunch of parts stacked up around it that I'm gonna put on. Those are the new seats, or at least the rear part of them. Front part of them are yet to go on. But this is a product we sell. It's an excellent disinfectant. Oh, I sell it. Lowe's sells it. All kinds of places sells it. It's called Spray 9. Leather seats. And these things have seen much better days. So anyway, I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a good spray. Just because these things are done. The leather is done. This is a pretty harsh cleaner, but sometimes when you need something like this is what you do. Okay. That is seconds of cleaning. Now remember, that to that. Just something that you can use to clean up grungy old cars. This is one of them. I got it with mold growing out of every crevice and kind of getting it cleaned up. This stuff just helps you cut through it fast.